If you let people bring their own parts, you're stupid as shop owner. We're not a rip-off shop. We're a business. You don't take your hamburgers to Wendy's. You don't take your pancakes to the pancake house, right?
Yep.
You don't take your own license plate to the Secretary of State and ask them to stamp it so you can save money. We're not here to save people money. We're here to make money, right? We're also here to make enough money to warranty stuff, take care of our clients that are good clients. If we screw something up, we can afford to pay it. The parts are a big part of us being successful. Okay?
Yes.
How many fights over the years, I'm talking to the audience, that somebody brings a fuel pump in, and I use this on the first one, and you throw this Airtex fuel pump in, whatever, Amazon fuel pump that was a fraction of the cost, and you tell the customer, hey, there's no warranty whatsoever. 2 days later, you have it written on the repair order, or anything, the fuel pump quits. You must have done something. My Amazon fuel pump cannot be the problem. You must have did something. You did not hook the wires up right. You did something. People just don't realize it.
Yep.
And then you have a big fight on your hands. It's just not worth it.
You can't control the quality.
Man, guys, this is why when I'm working on cars, I rather use Mopar parts, okay? I don't care. I'd rather use OEM quality parts. So if I'm working on a Ford, damn it, I want Motorcraft parts, all right? Anything that car maker suggests, that's the part I want to use. I hate when customers bring me Amazon parts. I cannot warranty that stuff. Those little flimsy. The repair I do the most that I allow for customers to get parts for is the oil cooler on the 3.6 Pentastar. Yes, and they always get me the most rinky-dinky ass oil cooler they can find. In some cases, I have no choice but to put it on. But for the most part, this guy nailed it, man. He nailed it. Now, he's a shop owner, so he have that flexibility to, implement that rule. Okay, when you work on the side or do side repairs or side mechanic jobs, you got to have some leniency because you're dealing with low budget customers. So you have to incorporate their budget into your repairs. And it ends up like this sometimes. But for the most part, I hate it. I really do. I freaking hate it. I hate it. I